This simple business helped me make over 6 figures in less than 6 months. Now, the essence of retail dropshipping, specifically on sites like Facebook Marketplace and Mercari and Poshmark, is straightforward yet incredibly powerful. I mean, imagine sourcing products from websites, say Amazon for example, and then listing them on sites like Facebook Marketplace at a marked up price, thereby securing a profit margin if someone were to buy it. Now, customers on the marketplace are already in search for these specific products. You then purchase the Amazon items that you've listed at a higher price, and you send the products directly to the customer from Amazon. You keep the difference in profit, and that's how you make money. Here's the magic though. This model doesn't demand pre-purchasing products in bulk, hiring a warehouse or any employees, or really tying up your cash flow at all for unsold inventory that you're holding on to. You simply purchase the product after the customer's paid for it and essentially use their money to do so and net the profit. There's no unnecessary storage, no employees to pay initially, and absolutely no ad traffic costs paying sites like Facebook ads or Pinterest ads or TikTok ads or YouTube ads. It's not necessary, it's all organic. Now, these numbers are spurred by my e-commerce experience, of course. I brought in a lot of e-commerce experience to my dropshipping business when I pivoted, but these figures and success doing this are far from unobtainable. People do it every single day. Now, a couple strategies and tools that help me propel this model and help me scale to a more lucrative business are as follows. So first and foremost is using listing software. Listing software like ZDrop and List Perfectly, for example, can help you save numerous hours by copying the titles, the images, the descriptions, and then obviously marking the price up automatically from the sourced website onto these websites, be it Facebook Marketplace, Poshmark, Mercari, eBay, the list goes on. And it takes care of about 95% plus of the manual work. All you really need to do is process the orders when they come in, kind of check a few things, and then publish the listings. And you don't even need to do that yourself, which ties me into the second point, which is building a team. Now, I slowly realized that scaling upwards of like 20 to 30K monthly profit, I would need a team, right? It demanded more hands on deck. And while one can achieve 6 figures solo, scaling beyond that is going to be tough unless you want to spend every single waking moment in your business doing all the little things. It's paramount to understand that any substantial business grows by leveraging teamwork and collaborative efforts from other people. Third is simply mastering cash flow. This is often overlooked in most businesses and is the number one reason that most businesses fail. Now, understanding and managing your cash flow is absolutely pivotal. Maintaining a healthy cash flow ensures that you can purchase products, you can fulfill the orders when they come in, and you can keep your business scaling and also running smoothly. Fourth is maximizing profits. And again, this might sound like a no-brainer, but you don't know what you don't know, right? Employing smart strategies like cashback credit cards or cashback portals like Rakuten and Honey can add anywhere from 5 to 10% on top of your top line profit margin and help you keep more of the money that you're spending. Additionally, if you understand tax exemptions and how to get them on certain websites, it can also add anywhere from 5 to 10% on top of that. So now we're talking anywhere from 5 to 20% on top of your top line profit margin just for knowing these two things. These small savings and small steps collectively contribute to increasing your overall profit and really make the difference between actually netting more in the long run or being strapped to process orders as they come in. Now, every business has its nuances and this one's no different. This entire model hinges on two specific things: listing hot products and understanding the numbers game and how to list more a lot faster, be it with virtual assistants or software or a combination of both. The more trending products you list, again, hence the simplicity, the higher your sales figures will ultimately be. Now, using listing software, forming a team, mastering cash flow, and implementing the strategies that we've covered to maximize your profits are just the tip of the iceberg, but ultimately it'll pave the way for a 6-figure income. Now, just 2 years ago, I wasn't even drop shipping, and yet I was still able to do this with these strategic moves and leveraging the tools that I've covered. It's vital to reiterate that I'm not special, and with the right strategies, dedication, and perhaps a little guidance, you too can also do the same thing. Hope it helps.